Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Wi-Fi, a reachable phone number, and an email address. Once ready, open Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone, then choose Create Apple ID. Enter your name, birth date, and the email you want to use. Why email matters. Apple sends verification and recovery links to that address. Make sure the email is active because you'll need to verify it immediately to continue the secure setup process and avoid lockouts later. Once you enter the email and password, Apple sends a verification code. Enter it now to prove ownership. Next, choose a strong password, at least 8 characters, mix of letters and numbers. This reduces brute force risk. Then enable two-factor authentication. Add a trusted phone number so you can recover access if needed. Make sure to review payment options. You can add a card or tap None to skip. These security choices protect your purchases and keep iCloud data. To finish, sign in across iCloud, App Store, and Find My to sync contacts, backups, and purchases. Make choices for iCloud storage now or later. Once done, review account settings under Password and Security for recovery keys. If verification fails, first check spam and request a resend, then try using a different email or phone number. If you still cannot verify, sign out, restart the iPhone, and retry. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account recovery steps and document any error messages you see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.